Here is how to turn off active online status on Instagram. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application first. But before that, ensure that your Instagram is up to date. Open your App Store or the Play Store according to the device that you're using. Search for Instagram application, open it, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, launch your Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged into the specific account where you want to turn off your active status. Then after, click on your profile picture icon to go to your profile page. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner to access your settings and activities section. Then search for activity status, and there you'll see the option of show activity status from the search results. Go ahead and select it. Now make sure that the toggle is turned off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next